So we are making this like this. Yes.
Pumpkin color is this one or this one?
Yeah. Pumpkin color is this one. First make the yellow coat like this. Okay. Aram se make like this. Okay. So first yellow ochre. Okay. And then this area we can put the deep green. This is a deep green color.
No.
So I put the next steps. This is yellow ochre and this is deep green. Put the deep green like this. More deep green. It's not deep that much.
I have already one really big pumpkin.
Very big pumpkin. Wow. See, I put this green. Okay, deep green color.
Sir?
Here. Yes, beta.
Why has it got the size of pumpkin?
Yeah.
Why has it got the size of pumpkin?
Very good. Great. Make the border first, beta. First make the border like this. And then put the slowly color like this. Okay, plan? Plan, is that possible to your camera is moved to your drawing copy so I can see how you are doing?
Yes, sir. I can do it. But you have to then see it like this.
Yeah, that's fine. I just want to see how. Little close your hand. Little close the camera on your drawing.
This is okay, sir?
A little more.
Okay, sir. This is okay?
Your hand is going little this side. This side. More. Oh, fine. Close. Then close. Fine. That is good. So we are making here lemon yellow and orange. Okay. And these two color over here. Now I just go over here. Okay. Here a little bit of a reddish orange kind of, okay. Orange kind of colors. First you put this color. Aram se. Take time.
Sir, I have done.
Okay. Take time. Slowly. Dishani, try to color not go outside. Okay. Nandini beta, not try to color inside the drawing. Okay beta. Aram se. Yellow ochre. This is called lemon yellow and then it's green. Okay beta. Very nice.
Sir, do I have to color?
Very nice. Nice color, Nandini. Yeah. Second color. I used a little orange. This is the orange color I'm using. How many color I'm using? I show over here already.
3.
This is the orange color. Okay. So I put orange here. Little bit shading. Okay, like this. First of all, I put this area full of orange. Okay. This area. And here I put little like this. Not much, little like this. Okay. Okay, aram se. Crank your camera little more. Your drawing copy little more forward. The camera is fine.
Okay.
The drawing copy little go forward. Your drawing copy little up. Yes. Little more.
I cannot do it more.
Okay, fine. That's fine. It's great. Great angle. Yeah. So now I use the Prussian glue. Okay.
So let's do the orange with.
Yeah, we put some orange. Okay, we are doing this color, the Prussian glue after that. Okay, Prussian glue. So why I put Prussian glue? Okay, I just packet Prussian glue over here.
Sir, I have this Prussian glue.
Yeah, this is fine. Just make it Prussian glue here. 1, 2, and do like this. Little dark color, you see. Little Prussian glue over here. Around it. Put the Prussian glue like this. Okay. Yeah.
Done.
Done? Yes.
So can you see it now?
Yeah, it is good. This is good. So now, just make it Prussian glue, and here I can put little. Okay, this is fine. That much Prussian glue is fine. No need to more. I just need a little white color if you have white color. So I make some little, little highlights. So this is the principle of drawing. You make the light and shadow, okay, all those things. Okay, this is a light and this is that. I make some light. I use the white color. It's not visible that much, but a little bit is okay. Okay, the piece of pumpkin we are doing. After the finish, all of you just showing your drawing.